Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy that we have a big audience for our cooking demonstration today. We get a good one. Lemon meringue pie someday. Really hit the spot. And we have, of course, our chef Adam with us to try to teach you all the tricks and tricks that we have. Okay, Adam?
Bonjour, bonjour. So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, as he mentioned already, we're going to do the tart de citron, the lemon tart. Everybody have a recipe already? Yes? Okay, alright. So, what we're going to do is first, the dough. For the dough, we're going to use the all-purpose flour. We're going to combine with a small touch of sugar.
Yeah, just a tad.
Okay, a little bit more than a touch. And over here we have a small piece of butter. That one. Believe me, in France it's a small piece.
You know I'm done.
Yeah, it's everywhere in France. It's with cream and butter.
White flour,
So yeah,
butter.
we have downstairs the huge machine, but it was very heavy for him to bring it up. So in this case, I'm going to do the dough by myself, by my hands. Of course, at home, for sure, you have a KitchenAid machine or any other machine. You can use it for the dough to prepare it.
Well, in reality, a 250-pound machine is quite good enough. Well, yesterday we mentioned to some of you that we do cooking demonstration on the end of the week. So like this, because if you do it in the beginning, you're going to refuse to get dessert. You know, now you're going to say, alright, we did it for the whole week, so we're going to continue for the next 2 days as well. Well, it is, in France, we use a lot of butter, a lot of sugar, a lot of cream and so on. But it's for a good cause, so it's alright. Take your time, chef. No rush, yeah. It's all good.